Hey there, I'm meteorologist Tom Kippen. As we look at what's ahead, it's going to be another very warm Tuesday. I think most of the day Tuesday does stay dry, but rain moves in and it could be heavy Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then also as we get to Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday, the trend is going to be for cooler temperatures. And we could also start to see wind during this time. So here's what we got going. We got the remnants, or what's left over, of what was once upon a time Tropical Storm Cristobal making landfall on the Louisiana coast. This is coming northward, and we also got a storm system coming in from the west. Tropical moisture shows up Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. There's your chance of potentially some heavy rain. That's out in the northern Ontario. We get a little bit of a break from the rain on Wednesday afternoon. Still a chance though, but then another chance of widespread, potentially heavy to soaking rain, potentially Wednesday night on into early Thursday. So the next 3 days look like this. For Tuesday, another very warm one, but the clouds do start to pick up the pace. Highs in the 80s. Some spots do make it into the 90s across upper Michigan. We'll have locally cooler conditions near some shorelines of the Great Lakes. You can see there for Escanaba and Manistee a little cooler, and same for Eagle River and Copper Harbor. As we look at Wednesday, we're looking at wet weather with the heaviest rain in the early part of the day, and then once again potentially Wednesday night. But as you can see, temperatures do start to cool on off, and we could start to see some wind on Wednesday as well, especially Wednesday night. Highs Wednesday, you can see cooler back into the 70s, even a few cooler spots, including Copper Harbor and Eagle River, and also Manistee for our Wednesday afternoon high temperatures. Otherwise, on average, mostly around 70 or the 70s for highs on Wednesday. Thursday, though, we're back into the 60s. We'll continue with some rain and also maybe some wind. And then as we look ahead to Friday and also the weekend, we'll have some rain showers lingering on Friday, but definitely a much cooler day on Friday, especially along Lake Superior. And then it looks like we're going to do another cool weekend once again with sunshine on Saturday, but it's another cool day. Not too bad for outdoor activities, but definitely not a beach day either. Chilly on Sunday morning. Wouldn't be surprised to see some 30s inland, maybe some patchy frost. Bright, beautiful sunshine on Sunday with highs in the 60s, some spots the 70s, and then it looks like we have another warm-up as we go into Monday. Not too bad of a day out on the water, maybe a little bit of a chop on some parts of Lake Superior, and then with more of a southeasterly wind for Big Bay, the waves could get a little bit higher for kayaks. Might want to think twice as we go into Tuesday itself. So just be aware of that around Big Bay if you do have a kayak. Weather anytime on our WJMN Local 3 app, also online at upmatters.com and Facebook.